Biggest thing with basic is it's the best time that you'll never want to have again. In the beginning, you're going to hate it. You're going to think this is horrible. By the end, you're not going to want to leave.
I have here Sgt Tom, who is an MTI at Lackland Air Force Base for basic training for the Air Force. So here's the bonus that I promised you at the beginning of the video. But here's what got me through each hard part of my field training, which is not basic, it's shorter, it was 4 weeks. But it helped me get through each day. I look forward to breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That was my favorite parts of every day, and some people may say chow halls are bad. And if you go back to my earlier video I've done about the military on why the Air Force is better than the Army, food is it. And the Lackland Chow Hall in Texas, I would say, is the premier spot to dine at. And it got me through a lot of rough times during my field training, and I assume it's still as good today as it was in 1998.
The food actually is very good. As an instructor, the very few times I was actually able to eat, the food is great. I've also learned that trainees get very creative on how to piece things together to try to get food in as fast as possible. They're given plenty of time to eat, but they'll start mixing things together. Sometimes we try them out too. You'd be surprised, trying new things may actually work.
And I know another thing, more of the going to the restroom using the less trouble sometimes. So the fix there was lots of syrup on the pancakes or French toast. Loosen you up.
Yes, but there actually is coffee in the dining facilities. You don't get extra time to drink coffee, and it is hot. If you get coffee, you better be ready to drink something really hot. But if an instructor has someone that is struggling with utilizing, they can give them a little bit of time to actually drink some coffee, get some fiber in their diet, and get things moving. High stress levels can cause constipation. It's a real thing that's not very comfortable. Most definitely, thank you for having me in here to do this. This means a lot to me as well, just helping people prepare. I'd say the biggest thing with basic is it's the best time that you'll never want to have again. It's something I hear quite often. In the beginning, you're going to hate it. You're going to think this is horrible. By the end, you're not going to want to leave. You're going to have made friends, and I'll call them family as well, because we're very much brothers and sisters that you're not going to want to part with. You're going to want to keep in touch with throughout the rest of your career. I know for a fact I still have people from basic that I keep in touch with. So make it what you're going to make it. Go in with a positive attitude.
All right, thank you. That's all we have for Berzerker Brotherhood on this edition. So we'll see you next time out here.